Hello again, everybody. This is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Today we are going to be making a remake of our oatmeal, milk, and honey soap. This has colloidal oats, goat's milk powder, and honey powder included in it. I've already melted down my butters and my oils. We are using Nature's Garden's oatmeal, milk, and honey. And then I'm just going to be pouring it into my regular mold. I'll be using a little bit of titanium dioxide to lighten it because this will darken as it does have vanillin in it. So I'm going to be lightening it, and then I'm going to split it off, and I'm going to make another one just a little bit lighter so we have just kind of a tiny bit of a swirl. And then I'm going to be using the popping packaging paper to go on the top. I'm going to put this across the entire thing, and then we'll let it sit until tomorrow, and then we'll remove it just before we cut it. Everything that we're using today, the mold and the fragrance, will be in the description box below. If you so feel like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to leave a productive comment, we would appreciate that as well. We are always looking for ways to improve our channel and the way we make soap. Also, if you ever have any custom requests for soap, something you'd like to see, or a technique, we are happy to do that as well. Just leave that in the comment box below. My lye water has Tessasilk, sodium lactate, and then the sodium hydroxide and distilled water. We didn't go with anything fancy for the water. And we're going to go ahead and get started, and let's get soaping. That's what it looks like with the bubble wrap on it. It'll look pretty similar once we get that off. And it didn't look like it was two different colors, but the lighter version will darken a little bit. So hopefully we'll have some good difference in swirls. We will let this sit for 18 to 24 hours, and then we will see you back here for the cut.